I'll try to remember from long ago things that we did in cold winters and snow, sledging and sliding in snow pure and white, the moon in the sky, stars twinkling so bright, so cold then at night. I'll try to remember sudden as spring, I'll try to remember what did it bring. Snowdrops and daffodils, birds on the wing, buds on the trees, lands in green fields, not covered in snow. Spring, what beautiful things that you bring. Why did you go? Summer then came, I've remembered, long sunny days that were warm, walks in the fields of tall golden corn, walks on the sand and sea-coloured blue, warm summers, I'll never forget you. I'll try to remember what autumn brought, of the seasons that all passed me by. Ripe fruit on the trees there to gather, berries and bushes as well. Leaves on the trees now were falling, days now getting short. These were the things autumn had brought. I've tried to remember the seasons that come every year. Some things I've remembered quite clear. Winter, spring and the summer, the autumn that follows each year. All these I've remembered this year.